Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to solve the solenoid issue. How to solve the solenoid issue. The solenoid which is available in this area. To reach this area, you have to disassemble the printer. In my previous video, I have given how to disassemble or open HP 1020 printer. So if you go through this video, you can get how to disassemble. After opening this HP printer, then only you can go to this area. In this area, how to solve the problem. Now I am going to explain to you. So basically, what is the role behind this solenoid? Whenever if you give the printout through your laptop or desktop, the command will reach the printer. Once if it gets reach the printer, the solenoid lever will get released. Then it will allow the paper inside the printer. Once the paper go inside the printer and get print, after coming this area, here there is one sensor, paper sensor. If it reaches this sensor means, then it will allow another paper to go inside the printer, then it will get locked. Right? After if it reaches this area, it will release the lever. Then it will allow the printer to take another paper. After taking the paper, it will get locked. When it reaches this section, this output section, it will release the lever and allow the another paper. Once if allow the another paper, the lever will get locked. Then when the paper get complete the print, it will comes this area, that is out area. Then when it reaches this, or when it touches this sensor, immediately it will release the lever and allow another paper to go inside. Then once the paper go inside, it will get locked. This is the function which is happening, or which is helping this solenoid to control the paper pickup and paper out. So once, what will be happen if solenoid is not working? If solenoid is not working means the solenoid lever will be like this. That means it will continuously allow the paper. So once one paper get inside the printer, it will get printer. Immediately it will take the another paper. The first paper tried to come out. Then two more papers go inside the printer, got stuck. This is the paper jam problem. How to solve? I am going to explain. So in my previous video, I have given how to open HP 1020 printer. So seeing that printer, then only you can reach this section. See here. So here, use one star screwdriver. Using this star screwdriver, just remove the screw. Right? So keep the screw carefully. Right? Then remove the solenoid. This is the solenoid. Okay. So actually, what will be happen? See here. This is the solenoid. Okay. So here I have in my previous service I did apply here sponge. So what you have to do? So you have to. So this is the solenoid. Actually, see, this is the solenoid. This is the lever, control the printer. This is the lever, control the printer paper pickup method, right? So what you have to do? You have to see, remove this spring and keep it very carefully and take out this also. Then take this one cloth. Then apply the IP and clean this section. Right? Clean this section. Also clean this section also. Completely clean. Previous that sponge got infected or got affected, so you have to completely remove this. Okay, so this is the way to clean this. So this side as well as this side you have to clean. Then take this in sellotape. Take this sellotape, right? Cut the sellotape little bit. Don't cut more, right? Keep like this, and fix like this, and fold and make like this, right? So 3 to 4 layer you have to apply. 3 to 4 layer you have to apply. I have applied 2 layer. This is 3rd layer. This is the simplest way to solve the problem. Yeah. So after applying this, so 3 to 4 layer, that is enough. 3 to 4 layer enough. Then you have to keep this like this. Then fix the spring. Right? Okay. Right? So now which is make it correct. Now the solenoid is ready. Now I am going to fix here. See here. See, you have to be very careful. Then see how you have to take out. Same way you have to fix. Take this screw. Yeah. Now see here. Now we have fixed properly, right? Then how you have taken? You have to keep at the same way, right? Then remove this. Then fix here in formator board. Then apply the sellotape. Right? Apply the sellotape. So now which is capable to control the paper pickup problem. This is solenoid. This is the way to solve the solenoid issue. This is the way to solve the solenoid issue. After completing the solenoid issue, I am going to fix the printer. I am going to assemble the printer. Right? Okay. Now we solved the solenoid issue. Now I am going to assemble the printer. So first, before that, so clean little bit. Whenever if you open the printer, better clean this properly. First we will fix the front assembly. This is the front assembly. Now I am going to fix here. See, first in top you have to fix. After fixing this, just right, then come down. Yeah. Okay. Then we fixed the front assembly, right? Clean little bit. Then fix the top cover. Fix the top cover. This is the top cover. This is the top cover. You have to fix this knob also, right? How you have removed, the same way you have to lock this, right? Okay. We have removed the top cover. This is the way to remove the top cover, right? Okay, right? Then come back. Yeah. Then lock this. That's all. We locked it properly, right? Then cover the side cover, right? Then this cover, simultaneously clean the cover also, simultaneously clean the cover. Right? So now we assembled the printer. Finally we have to fix the screw. There are 5 screws we have taken out. This screw, this is the little bit different screw, like earth screw. These are all the same screw for everywhere else. Right? Then there is a front door screw. So here one screw, here one screw, here one screw, here one screw. 2 screws are there. I am going to fix. So in this video we have seen how to assemble HP 1020 printer. Also I have explained how to solve the solenoid issue. The solenoid issue is one of the important problem and solution also, right? I have given clearly, just to follow and get success, right? So if you like this video, put like, subscribe my channel, because every day I am releasing new video regarding printer service, laptop service and desktop service. Also I have released more videos regarding cartridges refilling, laser cartridges as well as ink cartridges black and color, right? So if you have any new problem, please specify in comment. Seeing that comment, I can help you to release a new video that may be helpful to you and your relatives and friends. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends. Let them also enjoy. Let it goes by chain. Have a nice day. Welcome. We'll see with some other problem and solution. Have a nice day.